Hi, welcome to Alpha Motors here in Wigan. My name's Graham and today I'm going to show you around what arguably is one of the highest specification Porsche Cayennes we've had through the door. Now this is a 63 plated 3 litre V6 diesel and is finished in the white paintwork. Now the car, as you can see straight away, has got the turbo body kit and is sitting on the 21-inch turbo alloy wheels. There are a twin spoke with the red brake caliper, but this is a 3 litre diesel, so you've got all the looks of the high performance super turbo car. However, this one is a little bit more fuel efficient and a little bit more friendly. So the facelift vehicle gets the newer front end, which pretty much ran right the way through until the latter parts when they brought the new car out. Gets the LED lights, we've got parking sensors front and rear. But as I say, a fully loaded car. Externally we've got the turbo body kit, so as you can see it starts on the bottom of the front bumper. We've got wheel arch extensions, we've got the side sill extensions as well, they're all colour coded. All the wheels are in great condition. When it goes into detail, and we'll remove them, we'll wash them inside out, improve any little marks, polish the calipers so that they gleam. But looking round it, what a great spec car. It's got the full black privacy glass in the rear, and we've got the high gloss piano external detail. Again, the wheels are in super condition. We do know the last owner of the vehicle, so very, very nicely well kept car. Quad exhaust system on the rear there as well, and then we get the extension and diffuser down at the bottom of the bumper. The black detailing along the bottom of the tailgate, and then the LED style rear lamps as a facelift vehicle. Paintwork again is great all round. There's nothing really I can say that's detrimental to the vehicle or show you any sort of thinking the car is now 63, so through 2013 we've got a 9-year-old Cayenne. It is absolutely gorgeous. But all of the paintwork's great. The black gloss detailing's fantastic. The panoramic glass sunroof is fully opening. I would have thought this car in its day would have been, gosh, one of the most expensive on the market. Now when we do open the inside of the car, again, Porsche don't really do much, as in they just evolve. They get better and better over time. So as we open the door, we get the full black leather soft touch interior. These are the extendable leather seats, so even the bases extend. All of the switches there, the more switches you get on a Porsche seat, the better it is. But gosh, look at it, beautiful. The piano black inlay with the silver detail. We've got electric memory seats on both passenger and driver, power folding mirrors, 4 electric windows, electric tailgate. We've got the Bose sound system in this car as well. So jumping in it now, I've got 2 keys. We've got 85,753 miles, so really average mileage. But then we've got full adjustable sport suspension, so we can have it in comfort, normal and sport mode. We've then got the various buttons as well, so sport, traction control, heated seats, the whole climate control detailing. We'll turn the radio down, and then we've then got the tuner, we've got the media player, so you've got jukebox, you can have CDs, we've got Bluetooth phone, satellite navigation, everything you'd want. Look at that. And then obviously we've got reversing sensors as well. And then when we work our way across to the dashboard, we can obviously have everything up on the dashboard as well as I'm running through. So you can sports chrono, you can have it digital on that screen there, phone, sat nav, and then we've got the clock up in the centre then as part of your sports chrono. This one's got a forward facing camera in it. That's an optional thing that the last owner's left in, but the detailing throughout is absolutely gorgeous. I don't smoke, and I can tell pretty much the last people haven't smoked in it. Smells very fresh, very luxurious. I've currently got the panoramic glass sunroof open, so it is an open one, it's not fixed. It opens over across the rear one, but the detail is fantastic. Lovely, lovely car. Cruise control, leather clad steering wheel, Super motor car. So looking in the rear of the vehicle, you've got acres of space. Again, Isofix, if you do have any younger children, you can put the chairs, but that black detailing flows throughout. Again, the Bose system is in the rear also. And then we get these lovely little storage facility, or toffee wrapper bins. Coming round to the rear, we've then got a really acres of space boot, very nicely trimmed out and fitted. Rear parcel road liners in there, and we've also got a detachable tow bar. That doesn't look like it's ever been used. Everything's still super clean on it. Porsche's oil, as you get when you get them serviced by Porsche. But wow, what more could you want? Oh, and it's got a reverse facing camera as well. So pretty much they're quite expensive, but again, they're for optional, I suppose, aftermarket devices. So if you like this vehicle and you'd like to reserve it, give us a call here in Wigan. We'll take a £250 reservation deposit. That will process the car, so you only have to visit Wigan once. At which point then have a test drive, inspect it, make sure it's like up to your standards and you're happy with it, and then you can just do the payment on a banking app. Or if you want finance, we can finance that vehicle for you. Take a part exchange, just give us a call and we can give you a price over the phone. But this is a gorgeous car. Looks twice as much as it probably is, or it's going to cost, but a lovely piece of kit. Have a look on our website. You'll see lots of other cars like this. Have a look on our Facebook page. You'll see customers like yourself from all over the country collecting vehicles. Have a look on our reviews. We're a 5-star dealer. So, I'm Graham, I've got Dominic, and we've got Lee. Any one of us will be happy to help you in any way. But as for now, thanks for watching the video, and I look forward to your inquiry.